Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Isabel Bedoya. For those that don't know, I just said it. I know it's not like the usual intro, but it's a different vibe. I look crazy. I pulled an all-nighter. I have not slept. I've had this makeup on since 10 p.m. It is currently about to be 5 p.m. Today's video is sponsored by Aura. Shout out to them for coming through. If y'all follow me on Instagram, Aura is not new to my life. Y'all know I stay changing my hair up, so I love that with Aura I do get to change up the formula to whatever needs my hair needs. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I feel like a whole new person. My hair was feeling so greasy and like I haven't brushed it yet because I want to show you guys a little trick that I do with the mask. But before I get into that, I wanted to show you guys how customized everything comes. So this is the mask. Okay, you guys see how it has my first and last name. Anything customized I love, like anything. So when I saw that they customized the bottles, oh, y'all better focus because I'm trying to show this off. And you guys can see the mask is pretty thick, so a little bit goes a long way. And I applied this only, like, look at the little bit that I grabbed and look how freaking much that is. And I put it only on the tip of my hair like this, and I leave it like that. But I've noticed that this really helps with making it look smoother, healthier, and all around just shiny. Especially in this area right here, I put a little bit. I never put it up here because then it's gonna feel like heavy, and we want to keep that freshness. So only on the tips. But that's one of the tricks that I love to do, and I've noticed that it really helps. Instead of me not using it, it just feels better and looks better when I do that. I use this a lot on my wigs. Fire. I leave it overnight and the wig is like brand new. So also, if you know you wear wigs, this is a great mask. I don't know how to explain it. Like very silky, very tameable. If you wear wigs, you know what I'm talking about. Another huge plus for me is their jars are actually made from 100% recycled material, which I love. You give plastic a second chance of living, and here we are, like, save the freaking earth. And of course, they are vegan and cruelty free. I am sensitive, so I chose mine in the quiz to be fragrance free, so it has no fragrance, but you could adjust it however you want it. They have natural options. They have a level of whatever scent you want. You want it light, medium, or high, which I think is great because, you know, everybody likes different things. Aura literally offers it all. Like, I'm not trying to brag and like, but they really do. They have 3 categories of pigment. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but this area right here, the black hair dye is kind of coming off, so it looks lighter than the rest of my hair. Through like last week, I started noticing, so I should order the classic shades in black so I can just retouch without having to actually dye my hair. Categories are, so you got the colors, you got the naturals to just retouch if you have red hair, brown hair, black hair. They also have the fantasy shades, which is like green, blue, red, and then you have the neutralizers that help you tone down the brassiness, or just if you have blonde hair, it's great. And I hope that makes sense. I'm trying to really explain this really well so you guys understand all the benefits that Aura comes with. Not only can you experiment with color, have fun, retouch, whatever it is, you also are getting the unique needs that your hair needs. Take the quiz, find out what your hair needs are, and Aura will help you customize your bottles. They also do offer bundles, so if you guys want to get the 3 products, the shampoo, conditioner, and mask, they do have a bundle for that. 20% off your whole order. And if you want to get just 2, you get 10% off. And one product is $28. And I also do have a code for you guys. Shout out to them for sponsoring the video once again. This is my code. You guys could go ahead and use it. I'm gonna leave the link in my description box. You guys could go ahead and click it, and I'll just direct you straight to your healthy hair journey. Life-changing, honestly. I'm very thankful for Aura for sponsoring this video because I love sharing awareness, especially with hair. I know it's a huge factor in like how you feel. Hair could really be like that thing, because I know how I was a couple years ago with my hair when it was not healthy. I just didn't feel good about myself, and that's why I started wearing wigs so much. No, hair goals, we all want it, but maybe you're not using the right products. So give it a try. You don't gotta go to the grocery store no more. You don't gotta do any of that. It gets delivered straight to you, which I love. If you know me, I do everything online shopping. I kind of get anxiety when I go out, so I'm gonna go change my shirt, put my contacts, put a little bit of makeup, and head out. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I put a little bit of light makeup so I don't look dead. We're gonna go to Starbucks to get the date started. I need some, what is that shit called? Strawberry lemonade? Refresher. Okay, we're gonna get Teddy. We're gonna get Teddy some what is it called?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino? Mm-hmm. It's not called dogguccino? I don't think. Puppuccino? Puppy? No?
Yeah, cappuccino.
Oh, okay. I thought you. Dogguccino? I don't know. Who's calling us? Just kidding. It's like, what's up?
Decline.
Who's calling us? We got Teddy the. You want this? You never had this before. No. Oh, he likes it. Yeah? Or no? We gonna keep it going or? Oh yeah. Teddy approved. What's in here? It smells like whipped cream. We find out they're just giving them whipped cream.
That's what it is.
It's just whipped cream?
Yes.
Dogs can eat that? I don't know about that. What if the dog is lactose intolerant? We'll find out later. Oh, you're getting messy. It's the close-up for me. Teddy's like, bro, what? Wait. Oh, your drink is there. Okay, we good. Bitch, I was like, nah. That's the car. I think you're over it, huh? Yeah, he's over it.
I think it's just a little hot.
It's a little hot. Yeah, no, he's definitely over it. Okay. Vomitar, tenga. He's like, it was alright. Okay, so I'm about to get tatted. Very random. It's late at night, but right here. Excited. Angel might get tatted.
You guys, I've been dying to get an Ariana Grande tattoo because y'all know I love Ariana Grande. And leave it to this bitch to tell me to pull up and get tatted. So I don't know. Do it. Maybe after a couple shots. You
heard it here. 5 shots in. Bitch, I'm doing it.
Bitch, I get my whole neck blasted 5 shots in. No, can't do that. My mom would be so mad at me.
Cheers to getting fucking tattoos.
Cheers to you.
Cheers to you. Hey. Thank you for coming through. I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below. He's sickening. Y'all about to see it.
Why does that not?
Why is it worse yesterday?
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
I'll put it directly to your side, right?
Is the founder of the Center for Industrial Progress as well as the author.
South Central.
Yeah. Alright.
How you feel right now?
Like a bad bitch in the making.
Period.
Dang, Marika.
I feel it.
Marika getting blasted.
Gangsta. From this angle, I don't have to look ugly.